Hey, my name is Tracy. I'm a certified medium with Inner Being Awakened on Facebook. My YouTube channel is Soul Tribe Channel. I help to empower the empathic collective. As within, so without, it helps in the healing process taking place in the world.
And hi, it's me again. I'm Oren, a personal trainer. And I'm also have a YouTube channel. I'm also called the Black Beaver, but you can type me up as Oren King. And
today we're going to be making a fat burning smoothie.
And also we're going to do some compound exercise to help burn some of those stubborn fat, okay?
Nitrates in spinach convert bad fat cells into fat cells, which will reduce obesity.
Mint releases bile from the gallbladder, which helps in digesting fat.
Celery is mainly water and fiber, therefore you will burn more calories digesting celery than it contains, which will create a net loss.
Green tea is an antioxidant which increases your energy to burn more fat.
Grapefruit has high levels of pectin, which sticks to toxins in the blood and flushes them out of the body. Pectin can limit the amount of fat your body's cells can absorb.
Pineapple is good for your gut. It is rich in fiber, which keeps you full longer and also aids in digestion.
Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats which rev your metabolism.
The capsaicin in cayenne pepper increases your metabolism. 2 cups of baby spinach. 4 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves. 2 stalks of celery. 1 cup of brewed green tea.
1 large grapefruit. 2 cups of pineapple. Half of an avocado. And 2 dashes of ground cayenne pepper. And add 1 cup of water.
Today's episode is fat burning, and the most important thing is having a caloric deficit, which means you want to burn more energy than the food you consume. So we have a compound exercise called a squat, which Tracy is going to demonstrate. Alright, get into position, Tracy.
And what's the most important thing about a compound exercise? How does that help burn fat?
That's a good question. The greatest thing about a compound exercise means that you're going to use more muscles. So the more muscles you use means you're going to burn more energy and eat up that fat.
And what muscles am I burning?
Alright, so good question. The muscles you're burning the muscles you're using is your quads in front of you, your glutes, your butt, your hamstring, and your calves. And also you're using your core to stabilize you. Alright, so the more muscles you're using at the same time, it burns more energy, which makes that fat cry like a baby.
And how long should I do it for?
Good question. So how long you should do it for? You should do about 4 sets of 12 as a recommended. But depending on your fitness level, you can do more or you can do less. But if you can't do this, we have a assisted version with the Swiss ball, okay? So if you can't do the squat like what Tracy did, I have an assisted version. So you gotta get the Swiss ball, put it against the wall, make sure your back's on the wall, and you just wanna go nice and slow and coming up. The recommended sets, same thing, 4 sets of 12, more or less depending on your fitness level.
Happy healing.
I'm honored that you're watching us and that you are taking the first step into good health and well-being. Cheers. Cheers.